All right, Colton, what is this thing?
RX7.
Oh God. It's a, what is this? Is it S5?
S5, yeah.
What year?
So the chassis is actually an 87.
Oh, okay.
Yep, and then I did everything to make it an S5.
Okay.
I didn't want auto belts. The belts that automatically.
Yeah, Adam has those. He's trying to delete them.
Yeah. So the S4 doesn't have that. So.
Okay. And what's all done to it?
A lot.
Yeah?
I probably couldn't name it off the top of my head, but
what can you name? Let's see.
large STREETPORT, B&R Stage 3 turbo, boost at about 16, 17 PSI throughout the range. Full function engineering, bunch of shit. Engine-wise, it's not bad. I have a V-mount kit too.
Who built this engine?
Adam.
That's what I thought,
And
right?
I helped.
Yeah.
I watched it.
Did you help?
A little bit.
Did you sit there like I do?
I was a pretty good parts grabber.
Yeah.
But yeah, he came down. He was nice, and we got it going.
I mean, just from that little pull in a neighborhood.
That wasn't even.
I know.
Wasn't even a boost.
Yeah. Oh God, we're going in the empty lane. Yes! Yes, Colton! Yes! That's what I'm talking about. Oh, those noises.
It goes.
It makes all the right ones.
But yeah, you can see my manifold air temp skyrocketed.
Yeah.
That's
not too bad though. You're at 113.
Until I go meth though. Yeah, but in fourth gear where there's a lot more load, it gets a lot higher.
Okay. For those of you that are wondering, I'm actually holding a laptop right now. If you're looking to get an RX7, have a friend that's really good at holding laptops, because you'll need it. I think it's more rare that I ride in an RX7 not holding a laptop.
Yeah, and then kind of the goal as this developed was, originally I went really aggressive and then I backed it back down.
Yeah.
I sold all that stuff to Steve, and he gave me his T2 side skirts.
Right.
And I really like the OEM Plus look, so I basically went full MazdaSpeed. I got these MazdaSpeed seats recently. Those are my favorite things.
I was just about to say, would you like to talk about them more?
Yeah, they're Infinity 4 MazdaSpeed seats. Only 20 exist in the world, so it's pretty exciting.
20 seats or 20 pairs?
20 pairs.
Okay.
It'd be really impressive with 20 seats.
Yeah.
Maybe 20 pairs, or maybe 10 pairs exist anymore. But yeah, I had them shipped from the UK, and they're in really good shape, so I'm really happy with them.
Yeah, I mean, they look great.
The MazdaSpeed wheels, and I have the full strut bar set, so I have the front and rear struts, and then the lower stiffener as well.
The MazdaSpeed wheels, those are replicas of like the 787B wheels, kind of ish.
Kind of.
Not replicas, but they're styled like.
These aren't the Le Mans replicas. These are the monoblock forged variant. So these are a little bit more rare.
Yeah.
And they only came in 16x7 and 16x8.
Okay. They look great. I mean, I feel like
my favorite
some
wheel
of the best
on the car.
wheels for the FC. Steve's Savannah that I drove, I think has the same.
his isn't like mine. I think his are either the competition or the Le Mans.
Okay.
I think they're the Le Mans. Those are the two that are. I know the Le Mans is the one that's commonly found. I think the competition's a little bit rare, but
yeah,
they both pretty much look the same. I think. Yeah. The center cap is different.
Somewhere, someone has they made a poster of all of the.
I have it. It's up in Moldings.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, it's
of course
up in
he does. Of course he does. Oh my God. This thing's nutty though.
Yeah, I like it. It's not too bad. Since I was planning to go water meth, but I'm just gonna turn down the boost and just keep it safe.
Yeah. What's the boost sitting at right now?
16, 17.
Okay.
And then at the very end, about 7K, it's at 13, 14. So it doesn't taper too bad.
Yeah. And it's a 4-port motor, right? Or is it a 6? 4? Okay. Oh, what blow-off valve is that?
A teal.
Teal?
Yep, T-I-A-L. I guess that's how you pronounce it.
Tile?
Tile? Teal?
I don't know. Okay.
But yeah, it's compression surging a bit, so I need to do something about that.
Well, it sounds fantastic.
it's actually integrated into the old clock.
Because the clocks never ever work.
Exactly. So I put a small square LCD in there that reads.
I was looking at that, and it
reads
didn't
lambda, but I'm not outputting lambda currently.
Okay.
So my MazdaSpeed's interpreting something different. I forgot what we chose ages ago, and that's trying to interpret lambda. So it's inputting. It's showing the wrong numbers.
Are we on the same ECU?
I'm a MazdaSpeed 3 Pro.
Oh, Pro.
Adam told me to get one. I got the best one I could at the time.
If you haven't caught on yet, whatever Adam says, we buy. And then he makes our cars go brrr. I'm the MS3X something. I don't know.
That's a good one too.
Although they sent me MS Pro stickers. And I'm like, I feel like I can't use that.
Sure you can.
I mean, you know.
Fake it till you make it. You good to head back?
Yep.
All right.
You're right, it roasts them in first.
Yeah, it does.
Wow. What have you done suspension-wise?
So I have the lower control arm stiffener, but really I'm just on BC coils. I hate them. I like the Öhlins and the FD a lot better.
Yeah.
It's just a much smoother ride. It's
Yeah.
hard to dial these in, like to find the median. Like it was really easy in the FD to find like the medium, but in these it's really difficult. I haven't been able to find it. Either I'm loosey-goosey and I'm hitting the ceiling, or I'm super hard and I'm hitting the ceiling.
Yeah. Driving the FD today, I definitely noticed it rode a lot better than the last time I drove it.
Yeah, those 18s are awful.
Yeah.
I didn't like them.
They looked great. I thought they looked
They're the
really
same
good.
wheel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It is what it is. And what exhaust is it?
It's an Apexi GT downpipe
Okay.
to a test pipe, and then to an Apexi N1 catback.
Okay.
So I try to keep everything bolt up to keep it modular.
Yeah.
But in the future, if I go EFR,
Yeah.
then I'll do something different.
Okay. You built a crazy car, a fun car, and like a very well balanced car. It's fast, but it feels like it can handle the power. Like I drove an LS swapped Volvo 240, could not handle it.
Really?
Could not handle it. It was fun to drive, but as soon as you started braking or turning, you know, things that cars usually do, it acted like a 30-year-old Volvo again.
The plan with this is to actually, once this motor tires out, I'm going to put a 20B in it.
You hate having money, don't you?
I don't like boost. I want to go NA in this, and a 13B NA isn't going to cut it. So,
Yeah, no,
but a 20B
definitely
NA will do a little bit better.
I think that's what I want to do with my FB one day, but
You're so expensive.
I know.
I was looking at parts yesterday. I'd recoup a bit, but
I don't know. Drive it till it pops, right?
yep.
Oh, I think I may be able to help you out with that. Thanks for coming on the Thanks for coming on the channel. This is a crazy car. Thank you guys for watching. I need to fix my RX7, man.
Yeah, you do.
Oh man, it's been too long.
Get to
It's been
it.
too long. I know.